Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Eufy smart door lock. You could use password to get in, you could use a physical key, or you could use your fingerprint. Just put your fingerprint right there on this. It makes a nice little cool sound and it unlocks. It's a pretty dope lock. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this door lock on. Okay, so let's check out the box. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Third Person Tech. We do run appliance repair business out of Connecticut Service, Connecticut, and Westchester County, New York. We're talking about this product right here, the Eufy fingerprinting unlock door lock. If you want to cop this lock, there's going to be the link in the description below. At the time of shooting this video, the cost of this lock on Amazon is $149, and I totally think it's worth it. It comes with battery that lasts for up to 8 months. If you want to be able to unlock your doors smartly, this is a product for you. Now let's open up this bad boy. As I said before, I've already opened this box and dinged around in it, so now we're just gonna go through it together. Okay, so we're gonna pop the box open to see what comes in the box. So you have the instructions that comes with the box. If you want to go over the instructions, you also have the Eufy stickers that you can stick on the outside of your property to let people know, hey, Eufy is in the house. This is the back part of the lock. Pretty basic deadbolt lock. Slide at the top right there. It uses 8 AAA batteries. One battery out the box. They said that these batteries last around 8 months, so keep an eye on it. I'll give an update to let you know how long they really last. Now this is the front facing part of the lock. We have the wire, we have the touchpad, we have the keyhole, and we have the fingerprint part up at the top. Now at the bottom of the box we have all the hardwares we need to put this bad boy in. So let's fast forward, follow me. We're going to install this lock. It's going to be pretty easy. Well, obviously you want to make sure you remove the deadbolt that's already on your door. Clearly, if the deadbolt is there, you cannot put another deadbolt in. So once you have your deadbolt removed, we're going to start with the first step. The first step is we're going to be putting in the lock mechanism. Now, thanks to Eufy, the lock mechanism comes labeled. It has top, so that means that part of the lock is going to go to the top. We're going to slide that chamber in, just like that. Pretty easy. And we have 2 short screws. The box comes with 3 short screws. We're going to be using 2 of them installing the deadbolt sleeve. We're going to drive that in. I'm using a drill. You don't have to use a drill. You can use a screwdriver because this drill is very powerful and you have to be very experienced in order to know how to gauge the power of this impact drill. Now once you have the sleeve slide into the slot, we move on to the next step, which is installing the front facing part of the lock. Now if you look on the notch, the little notch, you're going to slide it in and line it up just the way it is right into that keyhole. This is important because that way you can ensure that the lock is going to function the way it's designed. If you look at the back, now you see we're all in there. I'm going to leave it for a little bit. Now we're going to get the back plate. The back plate is going to help the front part of the lock stay attached to your door. Okay, that way it's secure. We have 2 long screws that come into the box. We're going to install those 2 long screws right now. I'm going to drive them in with my drill. As I said before, you can use a screwdriver, you could use a drill, whatever makes you comfortable. This is an easy install. I got this install done in about 10 minutes, and I'm not exaggerating. Even my daughter can do this. All right, so after you have the back plate installed, okay, so now we're going to put on the back mechanism of the lock. We're going to attach the wire just like this. We're going to be focused on the notch on the lock, okay? We need to make sure that it lines up with the sleeve that's already inside the door. Take your time, fish the wire out of the way, put that notch in, and then you kind of pry the back part of the door up a little bit. Then there's a little screw that's left behind. We're going to slide that little screw right in. I put it on the tip of my drill and I'm going in slowly for the kill. I drive that in and voila, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now after you had the lock installed, we're going to go to the instructions. You're going to scan that code and you're going to download the Eufy app, okay? That button right there is going to help your phone to find the lock. You're going to power it on. Now if you look at the top of your lock, there's going to be a QR code, and that's the way your phone is going to be able to tell what lock you have and to help you set it up. Now once you set it up on your phone, this is where the fun begins. You unlock, you lock it right there with your phone, and this is anywhere in the world, people. You drag it down, the door unlocks. Okay, now this is also a cool feature that I love about this app. We could do add access. Now what does that mean? That means if I wanted to give somebody the password to my house, I could create a temporary password. Now let's say I put this name in and I'm going to say one-time use. They could only use this password one time to get into my house. So then I hit next. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to go next. Then I'm going to create a password for them and they'll be able to put that password in one time and gain access to the house. All right. But since we're not going to be doing that, I'm going to show you also some other features that I do like about this particular lock. It has the auto lock. Auto lock means people like me who sometimes forget to close the door. Once you open the door and close the door, it automatically closes the lock. I have mine set to 10 seconds. So that's enough time for me to close the door, probably put a couple of bags of grocery down, and as you can see, the door automatically closed. Okay guys, so if you'd love to purchase this product, I'm going to leave the link to this product in the description below with the Amazon link. I'm also going to pin the link in the comment section right at the top so you can purchase it on Amazon. It's an awesome product. I am not affiliated with Eufy, but if you do purchase the product at Amazon, Amazon does give me a bit of a kickback. Let me know what you think about this lock. Comment down in the comment section below. I'm out.